Hello, how you doing? We're going to make this incredible, and it really is incredible, eggplant salad today with a nice kind of raw tomato salsa. They're really beautifully spicy, got some lovely spices on them. Gonna cook these in the air fryer, but you can pan fry them if you want, if you don't have an air fryer. That's delicious, it's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So you can see that I've got my eggplants in a mixing bowl there. I'm using these kind of little tiny ones. If you don't have them, you can use the regular size one, you know, the big one, and cut it into big pieces. I've just cut them in half. There's about 4 or 5 cups there. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then we're gonna add a teaspoon each. Just take a look here. We've got salt, pepper, paprika, thyme, and cumin. In that goes. And then we're gonna give it a little, just a little squeeze of lemon, not too much, you know, just a little bit in there, give it a little bit of moisture and a little zing, just a little bit there. We're going to give that a mix. I'm going to be cooking my ones in the air fryer, but if you want, you can just pan fry them, you know, just for maybe 5 or 6 minutes, or you can stick them in a really hot oven for maybe 10 or 12 minutes. So 180, about 8 minutes for me in the air fryer. I've got in there 3 regular size tomatoes, teaspoon garlic, 2 tablespoons lemon, 1/2 cup onion, 1/2 cup parsley or cilantro if you want, 1/4 cup olive oil. We're going to blend that together. And there you go, you've got a really tasty, beautiful little kind of salsa. That's going to be our dressing. So I've done a nice big plate. That's like a kind of 12, 14-inch plate. You can see my hand there. Of mixed leaves. I just broke them off. I've got 4 different types of lettuce there. You can, you know, adjust that as you wish. So we're now going to place this on our bed of lettuce. And then we're going to grab our eggplants. So you can see our beautiful eggplants there, really, you know, just got some lovely flavors on them and cooked nicely. What we're going to do is simply place them on. And there you have a really fabulous eggplant salad. That really is delicious. Pop that in the middle of the table, share away, delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.